I'm gonna be rating my squishies out of 10. So first we got my least favorite. Is either, I don't know. I'm so sorry, but this, okay. Wow, okay, well, for the fidget, okay. For the fidget, I have like better ones, and like these are like, this is like nice, but I'll put it at my bottom out of 4. So on third place we got this one, the blue one. I got it from like I said in Tesco, so it's really good. Bumble. Rate this at third place. And second place, like the top of squishy. Okay, well you can't. Okay, it was old, so wrinkly. So my packet that was like in, like the bag, and like I was all salty. So yeah, I don't know. But yeah. So ASMR. Really sticky, but I don't take out the bag. But yep. So this is second place. And first place, we got Dinoticon. La la la, oh la la. Like it look at it. It's so cute, and it's like a needle. And you can like stretch it so big. And slow rising is so nice. And then out of the category we have my slime collection. And so this is all it. So we're gonna rate it out of 1 to 1. So in first place, where did half of it go? Someone stole my slime. Okay, bye bye.